Welcome back to our Lisbon tour. In part 2, we explore the grand heart of the city, Baixa and Chiado. Our journey begins at Praça do Comércio, once the site of the royal palace and the gateway for the empire's wealth. From the top of the Rua Augusta Arch, you can see the perfect symmetry of the rebuilt city. Rebuilt after the 1755 earthquake, Baixa is a masterpiece of early earthquake-resistant urban planning. Look closely at the walls, and you'll find the revolutionary wooden frames designed to withstand future tremors. At Rocio Square, the unique wavy pavement reflects the city's deep connection to the sea. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Its horseshoe portals are a signature of the Neo-Manueline style, blending maritime and royal motifs. The Neo-Manueline Rocio station stands as a fairy tale entrance to the city center. To reach the elegant heights of Chiado, we ascend using the iconic Santa Justa lift. Designed by a student of Eiffel, this neo-Gothic iron tower is a marvel of early 20th century engineering. From the top, the grid of the lower city reveals the vision of the Marquis of Pombal. Welcome to Chiado, the intellectual and bohemian soul of Lisbon, where poets once gathered. At a Brasileira, the tradition of the Baixa coffee has fueled Lisbon's thinkers for over a century. Fernando Pessoa still sits here today, a bronze reminder of the district's poetic legacy. Chiado is also home to Livraria Bertrand, the oldest operating bookstore in the world. Since 1732, its labyrinth of rooms has been a sanctuary for lovers of the written word. Nearby, the skeletal arches of the Carmo convent reach toward the sky. Left roofless by the 1755 earthquake, it remains a powerful monument to the city's tragic past. Today, it serves as an archaeological museum, preserving history from the Gothic era and beyond. Largo do Carmo is one of Lisbon's most peaceful squares, especially when the jacarandas are in bloom. It's also the city's premier shopping destination, blending historic charm with modern luxury. A walk down Rua Garrett is a walk through the very best of Lisbon's refined charm. As night falls, the district transforms into a vibrant hub of theater and nightlife. We've explored the grand squares and literary haunts that define Lisbon's cosmopolitan heart. Join us for part 3, where we visit the modern Parque das Nações and the lively streets of Bairro Alto. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. See you in the final part.